Okay, students. Now for 7.2, I am going to start the sum. But not all. Suppose remember that here 28 sum in this chapter. In this exercise, 28 sum. Okay, and you know the concept. I repeat again this concept that in this chapter, this concept is very important. And obviously fraction. Some of the students still have the knowledge of fraction and some of the students still not have the knowledge of fraction. So if you have knowledge of fraction, how to do, that means what? That is a like fraction. Like fraction, that means what? If the denominators are same, you can just do the addition and subtraction of this fraction. Understood? If the denominators are same, then you will be able to understand that one. The addition and subtraction of fractions. Otherwise, not. So in this kind of sum, fraction also will be there. The calculation of fraction also will be there. You have to add and subtract from that. How many of you can't understand this language? That means I mean to say that English language. How many of you can't understand? Honestly, just raise the hand. It is not for the punishment. You can just raise your hand if you don't understand. Great job. You also? No problem. Just stand up. Yes, sir. Stand up. No problem. No problem. Anybody? If you don't understand this concept, that means so. If you don't understand the language, what I am teaching right now, then you can just raise your hand. Just stand up. So that's why I will explain you. First of all, I will explain you in English. Then after I will explain you in Hindi also. It doesn't matter. But you can just tell me. If you don't tell me, then how can I understand? Just tell me. If you don't understand English language, then just tell me. Yes, great. It is not for the punishment. Don't be ashamed. You can just stand up. Honestly, just stand up. That's sir, I don't understand properly this language, English language. You can just explain after this in Hindi also. No problem. I will explain in both the language. Anybody of you? Yeah, no problem. Just stand up. If you don't understand, just stand up. Okay, great job. No problem. I will explain in English and I will explain in Hindi also. Okay? Sit. The question is like this. Question is like this. That means solve the following equation and check the result also. यानी कि जो नीचे दिए गए इक्वेशन है उसको आपको सॉल्व करना है और उसका जो रिजल्ट आएगा है उसको आपको चेक करना है. That means what you have to check your answer also. That means what in exam whenever you complete this kind of equation, you will also check your answer also. That is answer key. आप एग्जाम में जब ये कंप्लीट करोगे तब आपको पता चल जाएगा आपका आंसर सही है गलत. तो आप उसको जैसे कि आपको बोला जाता है whenever you will ask that you can just check your answer after the completion of the paper. Some of the students just write the papers. Yes sir, I checked. Just read again. Yes, I read again 2 times, 3 times, 4 times. But you can just read the paper. You cannot check the paper. You will not check the paper at that time. आप चेक नहीं कर रहे हो, आप सिर्फ रीड कर रहे हो. आपको चेक करना है. तो अगर वो चेकिंग में भी अगर आपको कुछ न कुछ अगर कहीं पे मिस्टेक दिख गई हो, आप सॉल्व कर सकते हो. आपका मार्क्स बच सकता है. You will save your marks also. Got it? Great. Now I am going to write the question. Okay, question number 6. That is 2x plus 1 is equal to 4. This is the equation. You can just solve the equation. That means what? We don't want other numbers left side. We have to remove all kind of numbers in right side. दिमाग में आपको एक ही चीज रखना है कि लेफ्ट साइड में हमें कुछ रखना नहीं है, सब कुछ राइट साइड में लेके जाना. लास्ट बेंच, लेफ्ट कॉर्नर. What are you doing? Close the box. I told you that close the books, all of you. What is that? I told you that if you don't want to study, you can just go out from the school. And you are allowed to play in the garden. But do not disturb the others. Great. And if you have some kind of problem to breathing, you can just remove your marks from here to here. It doesn't matter. Yeah. Yes? Okay, you can just come from that bench. With that bench. Okay, sit down. So students, the question is 2x plus 1 is equal to 4. 2x plus 1 is equal to 4. I repeat again. We have to put x in left side and the other things from right side. You can just same concept in your mind. You can just keep this concept in your mind. That हमें इस तरफ सिर्फ x रखना है, बाकी सब चीज हमें right side लेके जाना है. With the help of this. But in exam, this will not given. Understood what I am telling? In exam, this will not given. But obviously, you can just write this in your rough portion in the exam. Suppose this is the page of your exam paper, okay? You can just write this concept in the upper portion. So that's why whenever you do this kind of sum, जब आप इस type के sum कर रहे हो, तो आप इसका help ले सकते हो. But in exam you can just write. Whenever the paper will start, you can just write in the rough part this concept. So that's why sometimes whenever you reach at the in between the sum, आप जब बीच में पहुंच जाएंगे सम में कहीं ना कहीं कुछ गलतियां होगी. आप जब सम सॉल्व कर रहे होंगे, जब आप आंसर ढूंढ रहे होंगे, तब आपको कहीं ना कहीं प्रॉब्लम होगा, तो आपको पता चलेगा गलती कहाँ होगी. Then you will go with this concept. So that's why you realize that some of the students still have a problem that in sign, addition, subtraction, multiplication. Okay, now 2x plus 1 is equal to 4. 2 is in the relation of x with multiplication. Here plus 1 is equal to 4. I am going to start, you can just see. I just take this plus 1 from here to the right side of the equal to sign here. So whenever the plus go from here to here, it will minus. जब प्लस का साइन लेफ्ट साइड से राइट साइड से जाता है इक्वल टू साइन, तो क्या हो जाता है? पता नहीं. Now I will directly remove it from the class. No need to take your decision. मैं आपका डिसीजन नहीं लूँगा, मैं मेरा फैसला सुनाऊंगा कि आप विधेयक लेके जा सकते हैं. और जब तक सिलेबस कंप्लीट नहीं होता, आप सुनने तो आ सकते हो. अगर मुझे पता चला कोई खेल रहा है, इधर उधर देख रहा है, हम तो स्पॉट बैठ के निकाल. जब बस जा रही होगी तब आप बैठ जाना, जब बस आती तब आ जाइए. So 2x is equal to 4 minus 1. Understood? Now 2x is equal to 3 because of 4 minus 1 is equal to 3. Very good. Now, but still 2 is here. We want only x. But 2 is in the relation with x. What? Multiplication. There is nothing in between them. इसके बीच में कुछ नहीं है. तो ये कौन से रिलेशन में है? Multiplication. So that's why you can just see x is equal to 3 by 2. X is equal to 3 by 2. That means what? ये डिवीजन फॉर्मेट में चला गया. तो यहाँ पे वो क्या था? मल्टीप्लिकेशन फॉर्मेट में. यहाँ पे आ गया तो डिवीजन फॉर्मेट में आ गया. Okay. Now This is your answer. No need to convert in the mixed fraction. But x का वैल्यू 3/2 आया, वो सही है कि गलत कैसे पता चलेगा? Now check your answer. I'm going to check here. And listen to me very carefully. If you will ask in the exam, in the question also, that you will check your answer. Do not left here also. Some of the students putting this down. Okay, yes, my answer is complete. You can just. Some of the students, this portion will write in the rough work also. कई बच्चे ऐसे होते हैं जो चेक करने का पोर्शन होता है वो रफ वर्क में करते हैं, चेक करने के लिए कि हमारा आंसर सही है. बट वी हैव टू राइट इन द रेगुलर पोर्शन, दैट इज द चेक द रिजल्ट. तो वो एक सम का पार्ट हो गया, चेक द रिजल्ट. तो अगर 2 मार्क्स का ये सम है, for this 1 marks, for this 1 marks also, we just write this one. You do not write this one, you can just write in rough work. I will not give the marks. Understood? So be sure that whenever the paper will be there in your hand, you can just read the question carefully. If you read the question carefully, then there will be no any kind of problem. If you don't read the question carefully, some of the students put the digit different. कई बच्चों को ऐसा देखा है जो लोग डिजिट दूसरा डाल देते हैं. क्वेश्चन तो है, उनको पूरा कॉन्सेप्ट क्लियर होता है, उसका आंसर भी सही होता है. The teacher will not give you the marks for that because the question is different. As per the question, you have to write whatever the statement, whatever the answer. अगर आपको साइंस है, कोई भी सब्जेक्ट के अंदर अगर बात करें, हिंदी है, साइंस है और एसएसटी है, इंग्लिश है, जो क्वेश्चन पूछा गया है उसका थोड़ा सा पोर्शन आपको पता है और दूसरा क्वेश्चन का आंसर डाल दिया, you get marks or not? No. So that's why you have to read the question carefully. Now check the result. This is 2x plus 4. Sorry, 2x plus 1. We want is equal to क्या है? हमें 4 चाहिए. Now 2. x का वैल्यू क्या है? 3/2. Good job. 3/2 प्लस क्या है? 1. अब ये 2 और 3/2 ये कौन से रिलेशन में है? मल्टीप्लिकेशन. You can just directly cut 2 1s are 2. Understood? 3 1s are 3 plus 3 plus 1. That means what? Our answer is correct. Got it? Yes, sir. No need to write. Okay. I will send the screenshot in group. You can just write from that. Don't waste your time. Okay? In your WhatsApp group, there will be 2 class video will be there. That means today and tomorrow. Then after I will send in Sunday whatever the tomorrow evening. Okay, the concept of 2 days work. But I will send this sum as a PDF, whatever in the screenshot in group. You can just write from that. Yes? Stand up. Beta, come here, please. Okay, now the question is like this: 4 divided by 5 minus x is equal to 1/5. Okay, great. Now students, we concentrate here. This is the concept of fraction. Okay, and we know that there are no any kind of digit. Suppose here x, as in the denominator. If there is nothing, then you can just guess that there is 1. Okay, I am going to write the question, write the solution from starting 4/5 minus x by 1 is equal to 1/5. Like that. These are the same. If there is nothing in behind, that means below the x, that is the denominator. That is what you can just say that. Because of you can just say directly calculate that one also as a fraction. Then after we will go with this. Okay, first of all we will solve this also. If you can't solve this, the another method is that you can just remove x. That means what? From here to here, you can just take 1 by 5 from here to here also. Answer will be same. Understood? But I will see. You can just see. See, 4 by 5. This is not only x, minus x. That's it. Minus x. Whenever the minus x will go from here to here, it will be okay. Can everybody got it this one? ये सबको पता चला? Yes sir. Anybody is there? जिसको पता नहीं चला? Yeah. Raise your hand properly, not like that. Yes. यहाँ पे ये माइनस था x, हम अगर इसको इक्वल टू के साइन इस तरफ लेके जाएंगे तो वो क्या हो गया? प्लस हो गया. बाकी सी एवरीबॉडी इज देयर. ओके. And then after we can just remove 1 by 5 from the left side to right side. It will be minus. Understood? So you can just see that 4 divided by 5 minus 1 upon 5. It is x. You can just see from the right side to left side. Between the equal to sign, minus 1 by 5 plus 1 by 5 plus 1 by 5. It is no longer come back from here to here. You can just see it is minus 1 by 5. Got it or not? Yes, sir. यहाँ पे जो 1 by 5 था वो राइट साइड पे था, वो लेफ्ट साइड में आया तो वो चेंज हो गया ना. वो हमने देखा था. ऐसा जरूरी नहीं है कि प्लस इधर जाएगा तभी माइनस होगा, उधर से प्लस इस तरफ नहीं आ सकता. इट इज नॉट वन वे. ऐसा नहीं है. जैसे कि अगर आप बोल रहे हो प्लस यहाँ पे गया तो माइनस हुआ, माइनस यहाँ पे गया तो प्लस हुआ. ठीक है. इसका मतलब प्लस अगर यहाँ से आया तो भी वो क्या होगा? माइनस. माइनस इधर आया तो भी वो क्या होगा? अंडरस्टूड? इट इज नॉट नेसेसरी दैट यू कैन जस्ट रिमूव फ्रॉम लेफ्ट साइड टू राइट साइड. यू कैन जस्ट कम बैक फ्रॉम द राइट साइड टू लेफ्ट साइड ऑल्सो. द साइन विल बी सेम एज द कॉन्सेप्ट, देयर बी अ चेंजेस ऑफ साइन. नाउ ये आपको पता है डिनोमिनेटर यहाँ पे कॉमन है.
Yes sir. Yes sir. Yes sir.
क्या है? यहाँ पे क्या है? Denominators are common, so directly we have to put only 5. Okay, ऊपर क्या बचा? फिर and is equal to good job. Okay, now we are now on the way of answer. You can just see 4 minus 1 3 divided by 5 is equal to x. This is your answer. 3 by 5 is equal to x. Whatever x is equal to 3 by 5, both are same. So your answer is what? 3 by 5. Now what? Check. Okay, the question is like this. 4 by 5 minus x. We want 1 by 5. Okay. Now, in place of x, what is the value of x?
3 by 5.
3 by 5. Okay. 4 by 5 4 by 5 minus
3 by 5.
3 by 5. Okay. 4 by 5 minus 3 by 5. In denominator only, because of it is the common denominator. Okay. And in numerator, 4. 4 minus 3 and divided by 5. In the C. Right. Now got it?
Yes sir.
Any question?
No sir.
Yes. Okay then, as you know that first of all we have to remove this bracket, but this bracket is in the form of multiplication with 5. Okay, now here 3x plus 5 2s are 10. Great. And Here 5x are 5, but you can just see the sign. Here the 5 is in plus and x is. You can just see that different sign. As you know that the concept, whenever the different signs are multiplied with each other, the answer will be negative. Great. So that's why you can just go with this. 5x are 5, it is 5x and is equal to 20 is given. Now the simple equation is that. Understood? Now you can just go with this. What? Here 3x. You can just take the pair of like term. It is 3x, it is 5x. 3x minus is equal to 20 minus 10. How will I get this one? You can just see plus 10. Whenever plus 10 is moved, the sign of right side of the equal to sign, it is minus. So that's why. Okay? Now, 3x minus 5x. What is the answer? Minus 2x. But how? You can just see. 1 plus 1, 1 minus 1 minus 1. Sorry, plus. It is 3 and minus 5. Okay? Now, plus 1, minus 1. Plus 1, plus 1. Okay, so this is black. Minus 2. So that's why. Here, minus 2. And what is that? X is the rest. And equal to 20 minus 10. 10. Very good. So that's why now you can just see this minus 2 is in the relation of x. What? Multiplication. Whenever it will go from the side here to here. Divide. So that's why x is equal to 10 divided by minus 2. And you can just see this is the integer, positive and negative integer. Whenever in the denominator the minus sign will be there, you can just multiply with minus 1. So it will be this minus sign will be there. So you can just directly calculate. No need to write any another step. दूसरा step डालने की जरूरत नहीं है. You can just go with this 2 5s and here. So that's why x is equal to. Now, very good. Check the answer. You can just see. Okay. Now put the value of here. First of all, I am going to write the question. 3x plus 5 2 minus x. I want. Okay. Now go with this. 3 into what is the value of x? So just write minus 5 plus 5 2 minus. Not write directly 5. This is the minus of equation. You can just write the minus 5 here. You can just go with this 3 5s minus 15. Very good. Put all this one. Great job. Now plus 5. Here both are the sign of equal. Whenever the equal sign are multiplied with each other. Positive. Very good. So that's why 2 plus 5 is minus 15 plus 5. 5 plus 2 7 minus 15. 5 7 ja. Whenever you remove 35 and 15, whenever you remove minus 15 from 35, it will be 20. That 20 is your answer. You can just see. Your answer is right. Understood? Just do the practice of only question number 1. That is what the following and check the equation, check the result. Only question number 1. You can just do the practice at home. Not right now. At home. Tomorrow we will have same lecture in same. Yes? Just a minute.